Hey everyone, and welcome. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here for another explainer. Today we're diving into a masterclass topic that is incredibly empowering and, honestly, highly practical. We are breaking down exactly how to search Parker County court records online. And the best part, we're doing it completely for free. Just picture this for a second. Accessing vital court information from Parker County without spending a single penny. Whether you're running a background check, researching a piece of property, or maybe tracking a legal dispute, this guide is going to make you an absolute expert in finding those records online. Mastering this system is entirely within your reach, and more importantly, it is completely within your budget. So let's just dive right in. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with why court records actually matter, look at the primary search portals, and then walk through a step-by-step search guide. After that, we'll navigate some common pitfalls, cover a few advanced tips and ethics, and wrap up with a quick recap.
All right, Section 1, Why Court Records Matter.
To build our foundation here, let's just cut through the bureaucratic jargon for a second. What exactly are public judicial records? Simply put, they're the official documents and case dockets meticulously preserved by designated record custodians. And in Parker County, this spans across a whole tiered system. You've got the district courts handling major civil and felony cases, the county courts at law dealing with misdemeanors and mid-level civil disputes, probate courts handling estates, and finally, the justice of the peace courts for small claims and evictions. It's a massive ecosystem.
Now, you might be wondering, why would I ever need to look these up? Well, these records are incredibly valuable tools for everyday citizens, not just lawyers. You can use them to run personal or professional background checks. You can even do historical or genealogical research on your family tree. They let you review civil disputes, look up past evictions, check on Class C misdemeanors, and even keep a close eye on active legal cases and upcoming hearing dates.
Moving right along to Section 2, the primary search portals. To find the digital doors into the county's vast archives, we start right here at the local level. Under state mandate, Parker County's custodians, specifically the district clerk and the county clerk, have to meticulously maintain these archives to serve the public. They are the gatekeepers, basically. But the good news is, they've provided digital keys for us to use.
So let's look at the ultimate portal showdown. You essentially have two main options here. First up is the Parker County Odyssey portal. This one is highly localized and totally exclusive to Parker County. No registration is required, index searching is 100% free, and it is absolutely the best option for tracking local, real-time active cases. On the flip side, we have Research TX. This is a massive statewide portal covering all 254 Texas counties. Now, it does require registration, but it's totally free to sign up. Index searching is free here too, which makes it the superior choice if you're conducting broad, multi-county investigations. But before we get to the actual searching part, I literally have to mention this number, $1. Why? Because while searching the index is free on the state portal, downloading a document costs a flat $1 for the first 10 pages and then 10 cents a page after that. Classic government fee schedule, right? This highlights exactly why mastering the free index search preview so you know you have the exact right document before you download it is such an incredibly valuable skill. Okay, let's get into the mechanics. Section 3, Step-by-Step Search Guide. Let's walk through the Parker County Local Odyssey portals step by step. First, you'll navigate to their Judicial Records Search portal. Right there on the homepage, you're going to look for and click on the Smart Search option. From there, you simply enter your target's name or the specific case number and hit the Submit button to view your results. Sounds simple enough, right? Well, the real secret is in how you type in that information. The crucial point here is your input parameters, because this system is incredibly literal. If you're searching by name, you absolutely must use the format last name, comma, first name. So for example, Sampson, comma, Garrick. If you just type Garrick Sampson, the system will probably completely derail your search. If you have a case number, you need the exact alphanumeric string complete with the dashes, something like CCL 2-26-0007. You can also use alternate identifiers if you have them, like an FBI or Sheriff's Office booking number. Now, if your investigation needs to cross county lines, here's how you use the Research TX statewide portal. Step 1, log in with the free credentials you registered for. Step 2, click Search and enter your query. And by the way, you can search by party name, judge, or even the attorney. Step 3, apply the Parker County filter if you want to narrow down that massive statewide database. And finally, just click the highlighted matches to preview the case file for free. Section 4, Navigating Common Search Pitfalls. Okay, picture this common, totally frustrating scenario. What if your search just turns up blank? You know for a fact the person had an issue in Parker County. You type the name perfectly, but you get 0 results. So what went wrong? Well, a blank search often just means you're knocking on the wrong digital door. The main court portal handles judicial dockets, civil disputes, criminal case files, and probate data. For if you are looking for an active arrest booking, for instance, that actually lives in the completely separate Parker County Jail Records portal, which is run by the sheriff's office. Or if you're looking for property deeds, military discharge papers, or doing a business DBA search, those live in the general records portal. You just have to match your search objective to the right portal.
And here is a critical, real-world warning for you. I call this the active warrant trap. Online tools absolutely do not guarantee that all active warrants are listed. If you suspect you have an active warrant and you decide to just stroll into the Weatherford Courthouse to politely ask the clerk, well, that can trigger an immediate arrest right there in the building. No joke. The safe, smart solution here is to have a defense attorney run a confidential warrant check for you. It keeps you off the radar while you figure things out.
All right, let's level up. Section 5, Advanced Tips and Ethics. Here are some serious pro-level tactics for you. Did you know you can actually leverage the individual Justice of the Peace Precinct websites for incredible free resources? Like JP Precinct 3, presided over by Judge Randall, has a portal where you can literally download free eviction packets and debt claim forms. Another tip? When you're inside a case docket, always use reverse chronological sorting so the newest filings pop up at the top. If a docket is massively long, just use your browser's find function, Control F, to jump to specific keywords. And remember, if a local search fails, just escalate to Research TX to search all 254 counties simultaneously. Now, the Texas Public Information Act guarantees your right to access these government records, which fundamentally promotes government transparency. But we have to mention, it's just good practice to use this stuff responsibly. It's an incredible resource to inform yourself, protect your family, or conduct legitimate business. Just keep basic privacy in mind when you're looking into these public files. It's really all about maintaining a standard of everyday respect while using these awesome tools available to us. Let's bring it all home. Section 6, Recap and Important Disclaimers. Here's your rapid-fire summary to lock all this in. For quick, real-time Parker County updates, you want to use the local Odyssey portal. If you need to cast a wider net across the entire state, use Research TX. If you know an event happened, but the court search is empty, remember to pivot to the jail records or general records portals. And above all else, strictly follow those input formats, last name, first name, to ensure you actually get the results you're looking for. Finally, please take a moment to read the professional disclaimer we've got up. This explainer is strictly for educational purposes and is not legal advice. Always, always consult an expert for formal guidance. But now that you have the tools, the knowledge, and the exact step-by-step methods to navigate Parker County's digital archives entirely for free, I highly encourage you to run a sample search today. Look up a historical event, or hey, even search your own name. It really begs the question, what hidden history or crucial information is waiting to be uncovered in the digital archives of your own county right now? Go find out. Thanks so much for watching, and stay focused.